Okay, my fine friends, we're talking about increasing patterns again today. Yesterday we worked on increasing patterns, but we only worked on patterns that had +2, +3, or +5 pattern rules. So I showed you some of that yesterday and we did some work on that. Always remember, using your number chart is really helpful here. I love the number chart. I think it's a useful tool in most math operations, and especially in this one with skip counting. Okay, so we're going to look at a couple, or one more pattern rule today, and look at some tricks that you might, and some tips that you might want to keep in mind when you're doing today's lesson. Okay, so let's have a look at a different pattern rule here. Let's have a look at this question. It goes 20, 30, 40. So I'm going to go look at my number chart here, and I'm going to notice that, holy cow, that 20, 30, 40, that's all in my tens column here, and all going up by 10. And I can tell that just because it goes down a row. Anytime I go down a row, I'm going up 10. So, for instance, if I go from 14 to 24, I'm going up 10. If I'm going from 12 to 22, I'm going up 10. And I can count to confirm that, but just going down one row, I know I'm going up 10. So to go from 20 to 30, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, that confirms that going from 20 to 30 is going up 10, and going from 30 to 40 again is going up 10. So I know now if I go to 40 and go down one row, that'll be my answer. So my answer is 50. So I'm going to fill in my blank here, and I know that my pattern rule is +10. So that's one that you're going to work with today a little bit, is the +10 pattern rule. Okay, so a little bit different than your +2, +3, and +5. So +10 pattern rule there. Now, something you're going to see today, and yeah, I have a head today, so I've got my production kind of set up a little bit. You can actually see me. What you're going to see today is you're going to see some numbers, some pattern rules that are in some higher numbers, that are between some higher numbers. So here's one that's between 40 and 50. And so I'm going to look at it, and I'm going to notice it goes 42 to 44 to 46. So that's just basically going 2, 4, 6. So this is a tricky pattern that really isn't as complicated as it looks. I can see that this is only going up 2 every time, because I can go to my number chart and go 42, 1, 2. Yeah, that went up 2. So I know my pattern rule is +2. And I know that my next number here is 46 was my last number, so I'm going to count 2, 1, 2, and there we go, 48. So that's how your number chart can really help you, is once you understand, or once you determine what that pattern rule is, you can find that unknown number or that blank number right away. Remember, there's 2 things you're going to do for this assignment every time. You're going to fill in the blank, you're going to find the pattern rule. Finally, finding the pattern rule probably first, and then filling in the blank. Okay, here's another one in between the numbers of 30 and 40, so a little bit tricky here. So I'm going to look at it, and I'm going to go, oh, okay, it goes 30, so 0 to 33 to 36. So it really goes 0, 3, 6. Oh, okay. So I'm going to look at my pattern here, and 1, 2, 3, okay. 1, 2, 3, from 3 to 6, and so I can see there that it's going up +3. So I'm going to put my finger on the last number here in this sequence, which is 36, and I'm going to count 3 because I know that's my number pattern. 1, 2, 3. My blank number is 39, and my pattern rule is +3. All right, that should help you with the work today. Pitter patter, let's get at her.